Hi guys, I'm back for now. Been poorly and everything, and it's just not been good, and we've just got a new puppy, so that's took my time up too. I might post some videos of the new puppies. Blue French Bulldog, she's really cute. But anyway, so I asked my husband what colours to do today, and seeing as it's like spring and that, well, yeah, spring. Still cold around here, but yeah, it's spring pretty much, so thought I'd do this. And he said orange, green and yellow. And my little girl, she said put blue in it, so I'll put blue eyeliner in it. So anyway, let's do it. So I've not used any concealer on my eyelid, so let's get a bit of type. I'll try and get this on. Legit could be in the wrong place. What do you guys think? Wrong place, right? I think it's like, oh. Damn, that hurt. That's better. So yeah, I've not put anything special on. All I've done basically is used some primer. You can buy it from your drugstores out there. I'll just put that on. So anyway, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go in with the Morphe 35B. It's been a while since I've done anything, so now I'm forgetting what my eyeshadow palettes are called. 35B palette, get a lot of use out of this. Spring is here, summer will be soon, and, you know, colours. This is my first tutorial with my orange hair. So anyway, so I'm going to get the Zover Luxe Crease Brush. And I'm going to go in with this yellow. It can be a bit, like, fall out a bit. I got a bit under it, but just wipe it off with a wipe. I just wiped it off with a baby wipe. Nothing amazing here. So anyway, we're going to go right away. See what I mean? It's like really bright without using any concealer. And it's super pigmented. So makes some colours really pop. So that's why I love this palette. Morphe and Mint. And don't get me wrong, I love loads of different brands, but Morphe, you proper get your money's worth. I think this palette only cost me like 20 quid. I think it was 20 quid. And you get loads of colours, and then they're going to last you a good while. Let's just say that. Like I said, because it's like spring and then summer will be on its way, you know, colour, and I like colour anyway, so damn it, I like colour. So we're going to go in with the Petite Crease Brush, and we're going to go in with this orange right here. Look, see, the fallout is real. So this orange, damn you orange, gotta. Being ill just zaps the life from you. When I've been doing my makeup, but I've just been that tired. I've not wanted to do a video because I've been so tired. Like I said, trying to potty train the puppy and then being poorly on top of it. So it's just, I've just not wanted to at all. So I want to do it and also you can still see the yellow, like the poppy kind of yellow, like poppy. Blech. Yes, it's like popping still. So if you just get just right underneath. I mean, I don't know what you think to this look. I mean, you might think it's crap, to be fair. Just colours my husband picked and my daughter, so I just thought I'd go with it and have a go. See what I could do. In fact, I might do that a lot, like even if you guys suggest some colours. Like, it doesn't matter what palette I use, but the colour wise, like, give me a couple of colours I can use and try and make that work and see what happens. That could be quite interesting, actually. Maybe. It's kind of scary too, but yeah. I don't know, we're going to go in with some concealer. I'm using the Unique one. You don't have to use the Unique one. Give it a bit of a shake, just in case it's crap. Like I said, you have to use this one. I use different ones. So I use ones from drugstores, I use ones They're a bit more expensive. Today I just want to use this. Looking at this now, I'm sure my tape is in the wrong goddamn place. And it's gone on the top of my eyelid. You mother scratcher! How dare you do that to me? Damn you! I'm just wondering whether that's in the right place now, because it's... Ow! God damn it. So let me try and... I can tell I've not done this for a while. Usually, I put them both on at the same time. But like a damn idiot, I didn't do that. That seems a bit better. So let's just quickly sort this out. Won't take a second. Cool. Okay, I think that's okay. Right then, so now I'm gonna go in. This is kind of cheating because I'm not using the 35B palette for the green. But this is like more high-end makeup and it's a bit more expensive, but I love this green so much, and the colour is just amazing. You don't even have to actually use it wet, but I thought I'd just try it wet today. But anyway, it's the Kat Von D and it's in Electric Lizard, and it's just, I mean, look at that green, it is so pretty. But yeah, I'm gonna give it a bit of a spritz with a fixer spray. Don't get it in your eye, folks. It might sting a bit. And then I'm just gonna... Oh. Don't you just hate it when you put your concealer on to make your eye pop more and it goes above where you want it? Damn you. So yeah, this green is just like, oh, I love this green so much. And I've not tried any of the other colours of Kat Von D. I've only got this one because I really like my greens. I know it's because I've got green eyes, but I love my green. Maybe I should have dyed my hair green. Had my hair green before, I didn't like it too much. Not like a neon green, but... And I'm just patting the colour on to try and pack that in. Make it really nice. And you can agree, it is really, really pretty, this green. It's lovely. But like I said, it is like the more... I mean, I think it's like £16, something like that. In the UK, well, I ordered it off of Debenhams. Yeah, so I think like 16 quid. But I mean, you do get a good size pan. And I don't know how deep it is because it's inside this, but it is like quite a big size. I mean, if you're comparing it to like one of these, like the difference, it is big. So yeah, you get your money's worth. It's gonna last you a long time, unless you use green every day for a couple of years. I don't know. Anyway, it looks big, so I don't know. It looks like it's going to last quite a long time. So anyway, oh god, eyeliner. I hate eyeliner so much. And I don't usually do it on camera. Do I? I don't. I do this on camera. But anyway, I'm using the blue NYX Gel eyeliner, which is in Cobalt Blue. There you go. Blue eyeliner, and I'm just using the brush that I normally use from my Maybelline one. I'm using that. So let's get this done. It's been that long I've done any videos. This feels so strange. And it's going to end up being like quite a long one. Ew. Sorry guys. I mean, here's the thing. Do you prefer if I do videos where I just do my eye makeup and not talk? Or do you prefer if I do talk? That is the question. You'll have to let me know about that actually. Like, because I do like to do both. Like somewhere, because you can get them out quicker because you haven't got to talk. So you just quickly do your makeup and then you speed it up and stuff and then put it on. So that's cool. But do you prefer it if I talk or not? You guys must be there now yelling, shut the fuck up. I will. I'll shut up. I promise I'll shut up. Maybe. And I'm gonna go up here. Now how far did I go up there? Hang on, yeah, about right. If I'm honest, I prefer to use like a liquid eyeliner. But the problem I have is I get watery eyes. And the problem with watery eyes is it ends up all over your eyelids. So it just looks like basically you've just slapped your makeup on in a crappy mess. So I've started using gel eyeliners because they seem to stay on and not really move. And if they do move, all they seem to do is like just look a bit like not as good as what they did at the beginning of the day. So I've had to scrap using liquid eyeliners, which is crap because with a liquid eyeliner you can get such a nice point. That's why sometimes I like to use tape, because even if the brush is not like this brush is quite it's not the thinnest of brushes, so it's hard to sometimes get a point. I don't always use tape. Sometimes I use tape, sometimes I don't. But I'm on camera right now, so I'm using tape. Because if it goes wrong, it's, you know, it's not as bad. So anyway, that's done. Now I'm going to pull this up. If I can... Oh my god, I can't even get it off. Who invented doing this? Oh, ow, ow. There you go. Nice little line for you. Yeah, I'm still sucky at eyeliner. Who cares? So anyway, then I'm going to do bit of mascara. Do you know, I always look at things and think I forgot something. And this is just, I don't know where I got this. I think I got this eyeliner free from Beauty Bay when I did loads of stuff once, when it was like you got free stuff. So any eyeliner, no, oh my god, I'm saying eyeliner, any mascara, it's being ill. It's like it sent my mind crazy. Alright, I'm crazy anyway. So I'm going to let that dry. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my... And these are my best eyelashes ever. The Violet Voss ones. In Unicorn Flare. I just really, really love these. And I've been using their House of Lashes eyelash glue. So pop that on there. Wouldn't mind trying some different eyelashes, but at the moment these are my favourite, and they're like the second pair I've used now, so yeah, I like them. They're not that bad. I mean, they're like £10, I think. Yeah, I think they're like £10 or something like that, but you can get like a few, well, quite a lot of use out of them. But it got to a point where I was picking the glue off and yeah, the eyelash was broke. So yeah, I had a pair back tops. Oh, I was lucky for that. But yeah. I always tend to use tweezers to put these on either. Come on. I got my finger stuck to that then. That was not good. I don't know if you saw it, but my finger was like sticking to it. I was like, oh fuck, I'm going to break my fucking eyelash. Anyway, so I'm going to go back into a little bit of green. Just to pop underneath. What are you doing? Ah! Oh no, have you got lipstick on? Oh god. My son's got lipstick on. So we're going to go underneath here with a bit of green. And then we're going to finish the look off with the gel crayon L'Oreal Paris. Also, oh no, it's not cobalt blue. I was going to say cobalt blue, but I've got blue. So that's that one. So yeah, that's the finished look on that. The eyes are done now. Hope you like the eyes. If you don't, just, it's tough. Pretty much tough really, because you've watched it. So yeah, that's that done. I'm just wondering if to put any lipstick on or not. I've got like a lipstick here that I was going to put on. Yeah, let's just put it on. So now this lipstick is by Jeffree Star, and it is Prom Night. I don't know if you can see that. It's Prom Night. Love Jeffree Star's lipsticks. Although the new ones, they're nice, they're really nice, but the formula seems different. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Got a sore neck. Don't know why. So I'm not going to do a lipstick on camera because I'm kind of sick at it. So I'll be back in a second. So that's the lipstick on. Ooh. But what I'm going to also do is, to make it a little bit more like metallic-y, I'm going to take my Afterglow by Urban Decay, and I'm going to take the colour Peroxide, because this is pink, and just dab a little bit. Just to give it that like little shiny look, you know, just for like summer and stuff. So, let's look. And also I'm going my hair back on this side. And it looks stupid right now. Do I look hot like this? No, okay. Right, anyway, so that's done. If you do like this look, please like, comment and subscribe. And if there's any colours you want to see me do, please, yeah, comment and I will always get back to you. I promise I'll get back to you. And I'll try them out and do a video and see what you think. So thank you and goodbye. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you like this look, which I've done for like a spring kind of look, orange, yellows, greens, be sure to continue to watch it. And please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe now, y'all.